This lecture on subjectivity, otherwise known as qualitative or constructivist research model, is all about social reality, which is independent on the known. In our last lecture, we'll talk about objectivity, and we say objectivity could be called quantitativity or positivist. In this subjectivity, we say it is also refers to qualitative research. It also refers to constructivist research model. So it's all about quality. It's not all about quantity again now. That's why the subjectivity means qualitative. So when you are referring to this subjectivity research model, it's all about social reality. All about social reality, which is dependent on the known. Unlike the objectivity, which is not dependent on the known, but independent of unknown, independent of research. This one is dependent on the known. So, which means you as a researcher has a role to play here. You can influence the outcome of this research. Your presence can change whatever you have just seen. You can make your own personal input. So the researchers are active participants in the investigation process. The researchers' findings convey their personal views or theories upon interpretation of qualitative data. Understanding how researchers, in fact, interpret their work, that is part of this subjectivity research model. It is ideographic in methodology, just like objective is a mnemothetic in methodology. This one is ideographic, so it is personal, it is individual. So the concerns, the feelings of individuals or researchers are considered, come to play here. So it is ideographic in methodology. That means it promotes interpretation and use of qualitative data. Qualitative data in this case means like when you say it's good, it's not good. It's not just where you use figure, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. No, it's qualitative, you use something to qualify. It portrays researcher as a creative free will and controller of his or her environment. This particular research model makes the researcher not to be passive like in objectivity. It makes you an active participant. And as active participant, you are creative. You have the free will. You control the environment. Therefore, constructivism provides logical framework for qualitative research methodology. Thank you.